Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. PM Imran Khan launches Sehat Insaf card for 7 Punjab district. Prime Minister Imran Khan launches Sehat Insaf Sahulat card for 7 districts of the Punjab province during a ceremony in Layya, providing universal health coverage to 100% population of the districts. Anti-Corruption Department recovered rupees 220 billion in last 31 months of our government in Punjab. Prime Minister Imran Khan says the difference in the Punjab Anti-Corruption Department's performance during the PTI government and PMLN's last 10 years rules in the province is clearly visible in the result the department has achieved so far. Sindh to build 110-bed new hospital in Tharparkar. Sindh Energy Minister Imtiaz Sheikh announced that the provincial government will construct a 110-bed hospital in Islam Kot Taluka of Tharparkar district. Vaccine registration for citizens aged 19 years above to start tomorrow, and National Command and Operations Center decided to open up vaccine registration for citizens aged 19 years and above from tomorrow. 4-man gang rape bride loot 5 tola gold cash in Shujaabad. 4 armed men allegedly gang raped a bride and made off with 5 tolas of gold and about rupees 1,25,000 in cash, Multan, Shujaabad Tehsil. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.